A new age of China Africa partnership. Xi Jinping revealed strategic cooperation plans at Forum. In Beijing at the 9th Forum on China Africa Cooperation, Chinese President Xi Jinping announced a bold new strategy to elevate the China Africa partnership, aiming to transform economic and strategic ties. Addressing around 50 African leaders, President Xi pledged to grant zero tariff access to all least developed countries with diplomatic ties to China, including 33 African nations, to boost market access and trade. Xi Jinping stated China will voluntarily and unilaterally open its market wider, signaling China's commitment to deepening trade relations with African countries and addressing existing trade imbalances. Since the founding of FOCAC in 2000, China has emerged as a key partner for Africa, investing heavily in mining and infrastructure projects as part of its Belt and Road initiatives, helping to drive growth across the continent. President Xi highlighted that China-Africa relations are now at their best in history and outlined a vision for a closer, all-weather China-Africa community with a shared future for the new era. The Chinese leader announced 10 action plans to support industrialization, agriculture, and infrastructure development in Africa, backed by RMB 360 billion yuan in financial assistance. Security cooperation was also on the agenda, with Xi promising RMB 1 billion yuan in military aid, training for 6,000 African military personnel, and invitation for 500 young African military officials to visit China. As China solidifies its position as Africa's top bilateral commercial partner, the relationship is becoming increasingly complex, with political and security cooperation now complementing economic ties. African leaders hope that China's growing involvement will help address trade imbalances and accelerate economic growth as the continent seeks to leverage this strategic partnership for this development. As the China-Africa partnership enters a new era, both sides are looking to build on shared interest and mutual benefits, marking a significant shift in global economic and strategic dynamics.